Сейчас мы прокачаем твой английский за 1 минуту. Это будет простая смешная история о случае в офисе. Слушай внимательно, ставь лайк и подписывайся, если ценишь обучение с юмором. Кстати, какое слово из истории было для тебя новым? Пиши в комментариях.
Carol was sitting at her desk in the office, trying to look very busy. She had a secret. She was actually playing a game on her phone. Her boss was walking around, so she stared intensely at a boring spreadsheet. Suddenly, her colleague Mark walked over with a large cup of coffee. He wanted to discuss the new project, but he tripped over a cable. Carol watched in slow motion as the coffee flew through the air. Luckily, the coffee didn't hit Carol. Instead, it landed perfectly inside a large decorative plant next to her. The plant looked refreshed, but Mark was covered in wet sugar and cream. Carol started laughing so hard that she dropped her phone. It landed on the floor with the game still loud and noisy. Mark looked at her, then at the plant, and they both began to giggle.